Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear my all brothers and my sisters, first of all, let us thank to Allah SWT for giving us health and the opportunity to gather here today. Peace and blessing be upon our Prophet Muhammad SAW. Today, I want to talk about something very close to our daily lives. We live in a world where everyone wants to be smart. We study hard and we go to school or university and we read a lot of information on our phones. Being smart is great. Having high education is amazing. But there is a big question we need to ask to ourselves. Is being smart enough? The problem is, lately we see very sad trends, especially on social media. We see people who are highly educated, people who know a lot about religions, or people with high academic degrees. But unfortunately, they use their smart brains to look down on others. They mock people. They mock people in a comment section. They think they always right, and they lose our respect for other parents and teachers. In Islam, this is dangerous phenomenon. This is what we call ilmu tanpa adab, having knowledge but having no manners or ethic. In fact, the Prophet Muhammad SAW strictly warned us against seeking knowledge just to show off or argue with others. He said, "La ta'alamu ilma litubahwa bihi ulama'a wala litumaru bihi sufaha'a wala tuhayyaru bil majalisi fama fahuwa dhalika fanaru naru." Do not learn knowledge to pass before the scholars, or to argue with foolish, or to choose the best seats the fire. It is riwayat Ibnu Majah. My friends, our great scholar from the past used to say very beautiful phrase: learn manners before you learn knowledge. Why did you say this? Because knowledge is like the rain. If water falls on good, healthy soil, it will grow beautiful flowers and fruit. But if water falls hard on rocks, toxic rocks, it will just create a slippery and dangerous mess. Adab or manner is the soil. If we have good manners, our knowledge will make us humble, kind, and helpful to others. But if we have zero manners, our knowledge will only feed our ego. It will make us arrogant, and we will feel like we are the smartest people in the room. And we will start judging everyone else. Remember the story of Iblis. Was Iblis stupid? No. Iblis was incredibly smart and had a vast amount of knowledge, but why was he kicked out of the heaven? Because of his arrogance, he felt better than Prophet Adam AS. Attitude in the Holy Quran, Surah Al-A'raf, verse 12. Qala mata aka alatas adu id marotka. Qala ana khairun minhu khalaqtani min narin fa khalaqtahu min tin. We prevent you from prostrating when I command you. Iblis said, "I'm better than him. You create me from the fire and create him from the flame." This is show us knowledge was humiliating is the path of Iblis. So, think of your life like a smartphone. Knowledge is like a knowledge is like downloading a lot of great, powerful apps. But adapt is like upgrading system. If your OS is broken, no matter how many expensive apps you download, the phone will lag, crash, and become completely useless. My dear brothers and sisters, let us change our mindset. Let us not just change high grades, certificates, or praise from other people on social media. Let us change the blessing of Allah before we fill our hearts. Honor your parents and be kind to everyone around you, both in real life and in the digital world. Okay, may Allah guide us to be people who are not only smart in our brains, but also beautiful in our manners. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.